this tutorial I'm going to show you how to put photos inside text in Canva. This is great. Maybe you have a website, you like to add a photo inside a text and the text is about your website. Maybe you have a shop, a business, and adding this can really give a different look to your website, to your social presence, to your Instagram. It can be very helpful to create this effect. So to create this effect in Canva, what you have to do is to go here in elements, and here we're gonna have to write, actually we don't have to write anything, we just have to, so if we go here in frames and we click on see all, here we're gonna see also letters, as you can see. So click on see all the letters here, and maybe we want to write wow, and now we just grab this, we move in the, you don't have to do it like to resize, not to resize, to position them correctly. You can highlight and then you can right click and here align elements center, you can click on align elements middle, and now all you have to do is just deselect, click on the first one, hold shift, and the second one, hold shift. This will actually lock in position. Maybe we want like this. Now Control A, Control G, sorry, not F, sorry, G, to this will actually group them, and we can also resize them like this. Also like to like this to crush it a little bit. And then what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna look for elements, I'm gonna look for a picture I like to add inside this photo. All right, here vacation, and I'm gonna go this picture and grab this picture here, and I'll position this here. Now double click because I only want this side, and then kind of like this, something like this. Now I click on save. We can copy this, but what I want is for this image, so done, here, sorry, detach image and I'm just gonna move this here. I'm gonna create a copy for the first one here, I'm gonna put it here. For the second one I'm gonna put it, sorry, and the second one here, I'm gonna move this here, double click, and now let's position this, done. Let's position this, okay, done, and let's position this as well, something like this, and done. Now we have this image inside this inside the text, but the problem here is not really, we have to resize this, not resize, but what it's called in English, to position this so it's lined up, because it's not. So we just have to click now, and so we can line this up. Okay, with this one now, it's quite easy now, it doesn't take that much. So now it looks good. Now if it's you have a long text, you're gonna take some time, not that much, but it's worth it, looks good. Now what we can do, let's say I'm duplicating this, maybe here what I can do is, for this I can change, add a solid color, and then move this behind, and I can group this. Okay, and now we have this effect. For this type of image, what will look great? Let's say have another vacation. Let's say we look for a beach, and here I'm gonna look for graphics, no, photo. Then this one here, and I'm gonna resize this now and edit photos and adjust and decrease, increase actually temperature, but decrease the brightness and increase the contrast. And the shadow here, we actually need decrease this, and now we have a line, not a line, layer, and send back, and we have this now. So we have now this, and we're gonna look for some graphics, and for this you're gonna need this. I don't know what it's called in English, but this is what I will look what I need for this graphic. Something like this. Now flip. Now let's flip this, and we're gonna need some of this. Alt Control, send this behind. And we can position this the way we like. See which one, which like position will give the best look for this, and control to zoom out. This is gonna help a lot when you look at a design from distance. You can see some imperfections. You can now see which you can change, which you can add. But I don't want to make this video too long. I just wanted to show you how you can introduce this design into or this text inside a image inside this text, add it to a design. So I hope you found this helpful. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video.